Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel TNV Academy. Let's start with today's session. Whenever a road accident happens, people usually say bad luck. But honestly, most accidents are not just bad luck. They happen because small safety mistakes get ignored again and again. Tired drivers, poor vehicle maintenance, overspeeding, no proper training or pressure to deliver faster. And one day, boom. This is exactly why smart companies are now using International Organization for Standardization, ISO 39001, because road safety is not about luck. It is about having a proper system before problems become disasters. Now, finding problems before they become accidents. The first thing companies do under ISO 39001 is identify hidden risk early. Instead of waiting for an accident to happen, they start asking important questions like, are drivers getting enough rest? Are vehicles properly maintained? Are drivers speeding? Are routes safe? Think of it like a health checkup for road safety. The earlier the problem is found, the easier it is to prevent a major accident later. Because honestly, prevention is always cheaper than repair. Now, training drivers, because skill alone is not enough. Many companies think if someone knows driving, then safety is automatically handled. But that is not true. Even experienced drivers can make risky decisions when they are tired, stressed, or under pressure. That is why ISO 39001 focuses heavily on driver training. Companies train drivers on defensive driving, emergency handling, speed control, seat belt safety, and fatigue management. Because even the most expensive truck becomes dangerous in unsafe hands. And let's be honest, fast delivery should never become more important than safe delivery. Now, vehicle maintenance. Small neglect, big accident. Imagine driving with weak brakes or damaged tires. Sounds scary, right? But many accidents happen because companies ignore regular maintenance. ISO 39001 encourages organizations to inspect vehicles regularly. Brakes, lights, tires, engine condition, everything. A small maintenance issue may look unimportant today, but tomorrow it could become a serious road accident. Sometimes one simple brake check can save multiple lives. Driver fatigue, the hidden danger. One of the most dangerous things on the road is not always speeding. Sometimes it is a sleepy driver. Long driving hours reduce focus and slow reaction time. That is why ISO 39001 helps companies manage driver schedules, rest breaks, and workload properly. Because a tired driver can miss one signal, one turn, or 1 second, and that is enough for a major accident. Smart companies understand that rested drivers are safer drivers. Now, safety monitoring, learning from mistakes. Companies following ISO 39001 continuously track accidents, near misses, driver behavior, and vehicle performance. If they notice repeated problems, they fix them immediately instead of ignoring them. This creates a strong safety culture where the company keeps improving every day. Instead of saying accidents happen, they start asking, how can we stop this from happening again? And that mindset changes everything. Now, fewer accidents is equal to bigger business benefits. Now, here is the interesting part. Road safety does not only save lives, it also saves money. When accidents are reduced, companies spend less on vehicle repairs, insurance claims, hospital expenses, legal problems, and delayed deliveries. Customers trust them more, employees feel safer, and business operations run more smoothly. So ISO 39001 is not just about compliance or paperwork. It is actually smart business management. So safety is always worth it. Companies using ISO 39001 don't just reduce accidents. They protect employees, improve reputation, save money, and create safer roads for everyone. Because at the end of the day, one good safety system can prevent one life-changing accident. And honestly, reaching late is always better than never reaching at all. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy and engaging ISO content. Thanks for watching.